A couple different ways to construct parallel lines would involve first using the rhombus method. If you use the rhombus method, what you would do is place your compass tip at the endpoint of your original line and extend it so that it passes through the given point that you're looking to draw your parallel line through. And then from the given point and from the intersection of that new arc to the original side, if you draw an arc from, again, each of those, so the given point as well as the intersection of the arc and side, and then the last step to completing the parallel line would be to connect the original point through a line through the intersection of the two arcs, and that would create a line parallel to the original line. You can also use the perpendicular method. In a perpendicular method, what you would do is you place your compass tip on the given point and construct an arc that passes through the given side in two places, once on each side. So again, in this particular case, if I construct an arc, so I have intersections on each side of the given point. And then from each of those intersections, construct an arc on the opposite side of the original given point. And you can keep the compass measure the same if you want. You could extend it if you wanted to. What you see is you get this intersection. If you construct a perpendicular from that intersection through the original line and extend it beyond, and then from that same original given point, you now construct a perpendicular through the line you just drew. So I just drew this black line. If I construct, I'm just going to extend this arc, or if you construct a perpendicular line through this point, you can do that, and I'll do it with separate markings. Construct an arc that's the same length on each side, the same distance on each side of this given point, and then from each of those intersections, you construct an arc. You will have to extend it a little bit. So here's my arc from that first intersection, and then the same measured arc from the second. And if you take that intersection point and connect it back through the original point, once again you create a parallel line. Now this is still parallel to the first original line. So those would be the two different methods that we have to construct parallel lines.